Got that Bourbon Street steak with the Oreo shake and some whipped cream on the top too. 2 straws, 1 check, girl, I got you. Bougie like Natty in the styrofoam, squeaking in the truck bed all the way home. Some Alabama Jammer, she my Dixieland delight. That's how we do, how we do.